In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front side marker bulb on your 2012 to 2017 Hyundai Accent. It's a very easy process, so let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door. Now right where the driver's left side foot would go, that's where the primary hood release lever is. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem there. Lift up the hood a little bit, put one finger in there and push it left, just like that. Now the hood should open up. To secure the hood in place, we need to use that prop rod over there. Get it out of there and let's put it in that slot right there. Get the prop rod in there. Once it's in there, just pull it a little bit to the front of the vehicle like that. Now right there, that's where the front side marker bulb is. I'm going to show you the passenger side first. Get behind the light there, and that's the bulb holder right there. See that? Let's get a better view of it. Simply grab it and twist it left like 1/8 of a turn, and out it comes. Just like that. Now to get the bulb out, all you have to do is grab the bulb, pull it out. The bulb itself is type 168 or 194 or T10 or 2825. Either one of them works. 2825, 168 or 194 or T10. Grab the new bulb and align it over there with the bulb holder and push it in. And that's it. Now let's put the bulb holder back into the light. Get it inside over there, twist it around to make sure it's sitting snug like that. Simply twist it right, lock it in place, and you're done. Now it's the exact same process for the driver's side, but I'm just going to show you again just to prove that it's the exact same process. You have plenty of room to get it in and out. And that is pretty much it. Now to close the hood, push the hood a little bit, then get the prop rod out of the slot, put it back in its place like that. Lower the hood and slam it shut.